Hello friends, I am starting my organized self-employment ministry budget 12th session. This is an effort from my side for organized self-employment ministry and budget formation through the Government of India Act in democratic manner, in truth and non-violence unity manner by respecting each other and believing in unity. By organized self-employment ministry and budget, we should be right of pension fundamental right of pension after 14 year for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office fundamental right. We should be direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should be documented by organized self-employment ministry and budget office, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit to certain ministry office. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. This is my book Truth Only Terms, which I have written in 2001. I am selling in the market with the view that people will understand more truth only terms. I am trying to explain the concept in truth only terms in 218 pages in English so that people can understand more about this. The concept is unique, which gives self-employment government job to one and all. I have made a democratic understanding through my house, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. You can purchase book Truth Only Terms from me by consulting this. This is the session, 12th session of Organized Self-Employment Ministry in organized YouTube channel so that people can understand what is there. In the first room of my, I have put Shiv Puran and the 12 documented mandir, the documents 12 Banarsi sari and 12 Banarsi dhoti with 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% photo election identity card, 16.66% PAN card and 16.66% passport. The work is our self-employment, what we are doing in organized with fiscal credit. Second, the fiscal credit of second is room number 2, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, 12 Jyotirling of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha, recommended by me, documents of the mandir, and then the 12 Banarsi sari and 12 Banarsi dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% PAN card, 16.66% photo election identity card, 16.66% passport. Then again, room number 3, ISBN. All the Hindu laureates like Vivekanand, Rabindranath Tagore, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Sarojini Naidu, all different types of great author, Premchand, different types of authors, MPs and MLAs book, ISBN 12 Jyotir book, 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% PAN card, 16.66% photo election ID card and 16.66% passport. Automatically we will get a concept. Fourth, the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir, 12 Jyotir Mandir, Durga Sapsati, Devi Bhagwat, 12 Banarsi sari, 12 dhoti and 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% photo election ID card, 16.66% the PAN card and 16.66% passport. Then fifth one, each united Varshkrit God and Goddess, Surya Chandrama Navagraha Dhanvantri Kuvet Sankadi Muni Saptarishi, all types of Hindu God and Goddess which are in Varshkrit, 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% passport, 16.66% photo election ID card, and 16.66% PAN card. All are working. Only self-employment documentation is required, and we will be self-employment government. Then room number 6, 20 into 5 from these documents by Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar concept, which is personalized from 31st August 2001. In family wise, 6 family, unborn 6 family, 16 February 2002. In flashback, 31st August 1946. And coming the Indian Constitution, government history, time wise, parliamentary wise, Supreme Court, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat, university documents, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti, and 16.66% passport, 66.66% photo identity card of election commission, 16.66% the PAN card, and 16.66% the passport. It will be 100%. This is our conceptual development which we are doing from 15th August 1947 through the constitution. Now what is required is, through this concept, we have to look from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I and 6 Governor House I. The concept is going toward Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Kshirshagar Dham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, Satyalok Dham, the Pratek Varshkrit Bhagwan Bhagavati Dham, and Government Dham. Now we have to do organized setup by documentation. In documentation, it will be clearly seen that we are all united at the center and at the state level. Now one concept is giving us that business is also being done. Second concept, politics is also being done. Educational and legal work is also being done. Fourth concept, the family work is also being done. The sixth concept, the truth and non-violence work is also being done. And then last one, government democratic work is also being done. We have to organize by Amit Kumar Jha, believing in this book Truth Only Terms, which I am trying to explain in the concept, so that you can understand and everyone can understand and read this book and understand the points which I have tried to explain in this book, so that you will and we all will be able to live in an organized manner, by which self-employment government job will come between 0 to 18 years and 18 to 15 years. In 14 plus 14 plus 12, the setup which will develop by our organized setup. Now when you see the spiritual concept which I am trying to give through the Truth Only Terms 6 family drama, it is generating self-employment government job in our own work with organized setup. We are respecting the work constitutionally of educationists and lawyer. We are requesting the work of the politician. We are respecting the work of the politician. We are respecting the work of industries. We are respecting the work of the family. We are respecting the work of the truth non-violence, and we are respecting the work of the government. This is purely development of Hinduism in an organized way, where 120 crore population is there. All are working, all are finding here and there. The fiscal election per month soar, Election Commission of India will automatically give a photo election identity card, which will organize our work by the documents which I have made. I have made a fiscal credit table for self-earning, self-work showing, in which the educational certificate value and the illiterate value has been dotted in the credit form, and this much credit can easily be given in a very little budget. Annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, organized self-employment ministry and budget. We can form a organized setup of organized self-employment ministry and budget, and we will be self-employment government job. And what will happen? We will have double salary. One which we are working, we can make a full-time career in organized self-employment ministry and budget made by Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 639736017. By this truth only terms book. By faith, trust in me. By faith and trust in organized self-employment ministry and budget. The effort I am carrying from 2001. This is 2021. Session is going on completely with you all. Every time I am putting my 100% effort so that each and everyone get consent, each and everyone understand the truth and non-violence. We are in this sixth room which I am trying to show in the form of the Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united worship God and Goddess, government Dham, that we are linked with each other. Marriage and other proceedings have already been done. Only thing is that we have to recognize the documentation system. The documentation reflect the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle and the Governor House angle of seeing these documents reflect our family life. We develop a organized system of organized vote. Today is the age of Google. Everything is on a smartphone. Everything is on our laptop. In these circumstances, this document system of from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4 and room number 5 and room number 6, that is 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%, completely covers our organized life from the chain of 0 days till the retirement and after retirement also. And an organized life is coming from village to city to metropolitan. Yes, we Indians have to understand organized self-employment ministry. We Indians have to read these truth only terms. To organize ourselves for one work, one income, one educational certificate, one faith organized in documented form. And a beautiful setup of fiscal credit salary will develop by the concept of organized self-employment ministry given by me, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 639736017. Understanding the right of pension, fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry of his fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. Preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should have 4 slab pension 18, 32, 46 year. And acceptance of 6 family Hinduvadi Leela in our heart. We will acknowledge ourselves and reach to the zenith where we all will be organized employed and organized self-employed by truth, non-violence and unity, respecting each other, believing in unity. We have to stand together. The efforts of our ancestors who has done politics with devotedly by spending their money up till 31st August 1946. Then they were invited for forming of interim government on 1st September 1946 till 14th August 1947, and then 15th August 1947 we got independence. We have to acknowledge that time has come. We have to document. In those days only we would have given organized self-employment ministry, we would not have faced problem. Our country is a populous country. Second position is in our country in population. Employment is an acute problem. It is a common problem of every household. I am trying to make a concept of administration 30,000 above and 30,000 below. There is 70% people who are earning below per month 30,000 in 12 months, and 30,000 people are above who are earning 30,000 above per month. There is different in the thinking, thought, aptitude, but we all have one vote organized given by our ancestors in Election Commission of India, and we have our photo election ID card. I am trying to mix up by the lectures of Aadhaar card which has been made in 2000, the passport which has been made in 1947, and the PAN card which has been made in 2000. I am trying to mix up so that the things which we have 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir, we have 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir, we have 175 crore ISBN Mandir of different Hindu writers who have written different types of books. We have 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir. We have 175 crore each united Varshkrit god and goddess, Varshkrit of Hindu goddess girls, written in different regional languages all over India. We have one constitution which has 175 branches of ISBN. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry because the work is coming from our acceptance of this concept. And what will generate? We will generate self-employment government job. We are crying for the job. We are crying for the regular income. By signing the documents, our 750 brothers and sisters, MPs in the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, the upper house of parliament and lower house of parliament, and 4,500 MPs, MLAs and MLCs in the upper house of Vidhan Sabha and lower house of Vidhan Sabha, all can direct us a organized life of constitutional development which will change our fate, and we will get fiscal credit salary. I have made fiscal credit salary table also. The acceptance from the government side. Why I am emphasizing on the governmentization of this democratic concept? Because the finance can come by our trust, faith in this book, Truth Only Trumps, by which we will generate employment. That employment which will give fiscal credit salary to one and all. From 0 days to 18 years and 18 to 58 years. In between, 3 platforms are here: 18 years, 32 years, 46 year and 58 year platforms are there. Different age groups are there. We are not serious up till 32 years. After 32 years, we become serious. And up till 46 year, we get a strong family life. And then we have to so much responsibility. All these are attaching this organized self-employment ministry and budget. You have to purchase this book from me, Truth Only Trumps. You have to accept truth. The drama you can sing in different schools and colleges, by which you will understand the voting pattern, the unity of India, the unity in diversity of India, which generates an emotional feeling of being Indianness. Not only unity, it will generate employment. The document system of organized self-employment ministry, a unique concept which is giving self-employment government job to one and all. The acceptance from government will give unified from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I of the 6th family, which is going towards Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sad Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united Varshkrit God and Goddess Dham, and the government Dham. In a democratic way, I have tried to unite at the center Amit Kumar Jha, at the state level center Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. In room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House High, in the democratic way, will generate employment by truth and non-violence. You have to accept that we can do wonders. The government budget has a balanced budget. The government budget has fiscal budget, that is surplus budget, and government budget has the deficit financing budget, that is the deficit budget, which is given by J.M. Keynes. We have to understand, we have to utilize the documented system. This is the direct hitting system by which we are coming into purview of Photo Election Commission of India by election per month fiscal credit per month SOAR Election Commission of India. We have preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed number, which is giving a vote bank theory of organized method, which is linked with Parliament and Vidhan Sabha. All guardian will look after us, and we will also do our self-duty by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to per month to the ministry office. We can do it in the panchayat also. That has become Sadchayat by the concept of me, because one governmentization, democratic documentation has been attached in this, which is 5 families, Shiv Shakti family, panchayat, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha family, Brahma Saraswati family, Adi Shakti Jagadamba family, each united worship God and Goddess family, and the government family. That is given by me, 16.66 into 6 concept. From the Sarjayat, it is becoming Sarjayat because by the concept of Amit Kumar Jha Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, because the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and the Governor House High I is giving a conceptual concept of self-employment government job. We all will be self-employment government job and self-posting, because the head will be in the PMO and the CMO, Chief Minister Office and the Prime Minister Office. Vote bank we will understand by the documentation system. We will develop the concept of house-wise, because we will authorize this authority to the government of India, democratic credential. For 73 years we are following this principle. The 72 Banarsi Dari and 72 Dhoti, which is coming from 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I and 6 Governor House High, is generating a concept of organized path, moving on an organized path. We will develop an organized life where we will have fiscal credit also. We will have the fiscal loan also. Half of the fiscal credit will change into pension. The democratic credential will be attached to it. The politician will also love to work with us. We have to come together. We have to coordinate together by the truth, non-violence, unity, under the guidance of me, Amit Kumar Jha Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. By accepting the concept of organized self-employment ministry, we will all have minimum 4,000 to 5,000 salary, fiscal credit salary. Fiscal credit salary minimum will be 9,000 and pension will be 4,000 to 5,000 minimum by self-employment government job system. This system I am trying to develop in this organized self-employment ministry budget truth only terms. Organized self-employment session 12. I am full effort wise I am trying to explain that organized self-employment ministry can generate organized self-employment government job. The document work is done from 2001 till 2021, all 12 months. Into 20, I have worked, I have tried to convince, and I have checked from different angle. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, from the Kailas Dham, Bakundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united worship government is Dham. From the democratic angle, from all I, that it can be possible in human limitation and we can become self-employment government job and per month fiscal credit salary can come by our effort, by our unity. Speaking from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, Tripura, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, everywhere it can work. Organized self-employment ministry and budget will give 29 state organized self-employment ministry budget, and on central level it will give annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry and budget at the central level. We will be central employee also and we will be government from the state employee also. It depends on our way how we want to post ourselves in the state government or in the central government. Of course the state government will have some power so that it can keep its members, as well as center also will have the power, because the finance can come by our signing the document with the parliament and with the Vidhan Sabha. The self-employment government job generation will generate 100% employment in an underdeveloped country like India, where government job is a big thing, and in a job in a multinational corporation is also a big thing. In that purview, the fiscal credit system will generate 4,000, 5,000 pension through fiscal credit salary to the illiterate, and to the learned like graduate, postgraduate, PhD, it can generate 12,000, 15,000, because fiscal credit will go up till 30,000, because I have tried the table up till 30,000, and it will control the administrative machinery by signing our documents, by giving the documentation in a democratic manner. This is an organized session of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is trying to change our behavior of voters, because everything is known now. We have all the concept on Google. We can organize
From our panchayat, that is under my guidance, it has become Sadchayat, and from that, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, and from the Governor House I, organized self-employment ministry, 3 budget system will change our networking ways, our thinking. We will start respecting the work of politician, because the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I, one eye is of a politician, and one eye is of industries, and one eye is of the family, and one eye is of lawyer and educationist, and one eye is of truth and non-violence, and one eye is of government issue. All 6 have been united by Amit Kumar Jha's center concept and state center concept, in which I am trying to explain in 6 family drama. The drama we will place between 16 February to 26 February, because 6 family have 4 generations. Ganesh, Skand, Karti, Hanuman, all are there. Narad, all are there in this, in the 6 family drama. And 31st August to 11th September in the ideal form. And it will develop a organized self-employment concept by conceptual believing in ourselves. Our work will be acknowledged. We will, from the industrial we are the industrial worker, and the organized self-employment ministry will also support us, because double salary system will come. Because on one hand we are working from the politician side also, and one we are working from the industrial side also. There will be no lacking of labor on the part, because document will definitely put a constitutional signature. We will make in 6 family court martial connection, so that the constitutional boundary can be maintained, and the balance of the 6 houses will be maintained on the socialist pattern of society. 20 into 6, 20 crore Aadhaar card, 20 crore passport, 20 crore PAN card, and 20 crore photo election identity card, fiscal credit for salary per month sewer photo election identity card. 20 into 6, 120 crore. There will be center automatically. Prime Minister and Chief Minister can easily take the view of this through the computer. Only thing is required our trust, our faith in Amit Kumar Jha concept. Yes, we want organized self-employment. Yes, we will dial 6397360717 and purchase this book. We have to understand that organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. The various type of corona period which we are seeing, that employment is irregular. This concept get eraded by this process of organized self-employment ministry. Today we don't require religion, we require organized self-employment ministry, because we have all sacred religion with us, and blessing of all the religion are with us. What we require is organized self-employment ministry from our side. By signing the documents, each month when we will take fiscal credit salary, we will sign 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan angle and 6 Governor House angle signature, and we will acknowledge the work of Shiv Purana, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran, the writers like Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati, these types of great writer, ISBN Puran, and the Adi Shakti, Jagdamba, Durga Saptati, Devi Bhagavad, Hindu Varshkrit, God and Goddess, Constitution of India, all we will sign that we are the sons and daughters of this. We are following our work. We are moving on self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry of it. The one who will go on top, we will respect the down who are below 30,000 per month. Automatically, we will live as preamble-wise organized employed, preamble-wise organized self-employed. We have to come together. The time has come. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry and budget. Organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. Organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. In this book, I am trying to explain this, because organized self-employment ministry is the concept which will give us the self-employment government job to one and all. We have to come together. We have to make fiscal credit per month sewer election commission of India by signing the document in 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I, which is going to Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, Varshkrit Dham, Hindu Varshkrit God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. All will be united at the PMO and CMO by the concept of documentation. And this documentation will generate an employment which will give a credit The credit which will generate fiscal credit salary and government budget by the stamp of the parliament and the stamp of the Vidhan Sabha. It will 29 state, 6 union territory will have organized self-employment ministry at state level and organized self-employment ministry at union territory level, and the center will have organized self-employment ministry at the central level. Our outlook, our thinking will change because confirmed job will be in our hand. All the phone connection will be in the hand of DM, district commissioner, district magistrate. By the documentation system, we will develop an organized life of democracy where we are understanding each other. Many of the brothers and sisters who are working in different truth and non-violence way by this fiscal credit salary can generate a good atmosphere. We have to come together. The time has come. The 12th session of organized self-employment ministry is announcing everyone that we have to gather together for organized self-employment ministry understanding. We have to generate trust and faith in Amit Kumar Jha organized self-employment, because self-employment government job can be created by us only by signing the documents of Shiv Puran, the Shiv Mandir, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Mandir. As from my concept, Amit Kumar Jha, the money should be stable, and this is possible only when power will also be stable, and we will make the court martial connection for the control of both the houses, so that both house members cannot mingle, and we all will mingle together in the sixth family. Brahma Saraswati family, law education in English, Shiv Shakti welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi live money, Brahma Saraswati law education, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the family and her husband, Pratek Singh, Varshkrit Bhavani, each united Varshkrit God and Goddess, that is truth saviors, and the governmentary as government, and she government as the truth savior and as the time husband and time wife. 6. Rashtrapati Bhavan moving concept, Governor House moving conceptualizing in Amit Kumar Jha center, state center, union territory center of the document of the sixth family, which I am trying to explain from my house, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan High, from the Governor House High, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6. 12 Banarsi sari each to each room, and 12 dhoti to each room. 72 Banarsi sari and 72 dhoti, and automatically the concept start working by signing our documents. And our 750 MPs from the lower and upper house at the New Delhi, and 4,500 MLA and MLC in 29 states, 6 union territories, all will acknowledge our work. By the trust, self-employment will generate in India, in each state, and by their blessing from Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, MPs and MLAs, CM, opposition leader, we will become self-employed government job. We can question each other. After 5-year election is there, on that basis we can check each other. Earlier we had made the system. In that system, after 5 years, we were coming to meet each other on the political level, and otherwise we were reading in newspaper. Now in the fiscal credit salary, we will every day go to the organized self-employment ministry office, and we will have a congenial life where we will live in the equilibrium state, because we are knowing that this is our fiscal credit salary. I have made the fiscal credit salary table in organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is under developing concept. With the low capital, I have tried to explain all the concept in a conceptual manner. Only trust, validity from your side is required. All the names which I have recommended from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I will definitely help we all in the guiding principle of India, and we will reach more faster develop as we are reaching today, because the fiscal credit salary has a credit from the Reserve Bank, credit from the bank, because when Parliament will validate it, automatically banking sector, the Reserve Bank sector will validate it. The money is coming from our truthful effort from the ministry side. From industrial side, we have worked hard. Now some ministerial side work is required from the organized self-employment ministry and budget, which I have made, because we have overpopulated country. We are reaching. Census has not been done. It was due in 2020, but it has not been done because Corona was there. We have reached up till 120 crore to 130 crore. It is time to understand and acknowledge Organized Self-Employment Ministry. Purchase this book from me by calling 63973601717 and get it read. Six family. We are living a life of six family where we are trying to understand Organized Self-Employment Ministry. The family atmosphere is already present in our heart. We have to only understand by the documents. Once we will sign, forever we will be self-employed. A democratic, organized face is always better than undemocratic and unorganized face. We have become democratic in 1950 by adopting our constitution. Now we have to adopt truth only terms 6 family from the Rashtrapati Bhavan High and from the Governor House High, and develop a constitutional setup of 0 to 18, 18 to 58 year. In 14 plus 14 plus 12, that is pension at 18, 32, 46, 58 year. And organized life system will develop. Double salary will come automatically. One effort from the parliament and from Vidhan Sabha. The constitutional documents will prove that we are getting this. Only thing is that we have to acknowledge the documented path which I have made from Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan High and from the Governor House High. In a democratic manner, in room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6. We have to come together for Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget. We have to go through this drama which I have tried to explain. And we will sing between 16th February, 26th February and 31st August to 11th September by understanding the session and by validating it in the parliament and in the Vidhan Sabha. The requirement is of Organized Self-Employment Ministry today, which is one of the biggest achievement, as we will be self-employed by the blessing of our forefathers. The national movement heroes, the present heroes who are in parliament and different offices, all will bless us for this work. We have to come together for Organized Self-Employment Ministry, right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry of its fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble-wise organized employed, preamble-wise organized self-employed. We will become Organized Self-Employed Ministry and budget members and democratic members. Each political party will become members and we can work with each other. The organized platform is being provided by Organized Self-Employment Ministry under the guidance of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, who has written this book Truth Only Trumps for making Organized Self-Employment Ministry, because our country require Organized Self-Employment Ministry. Every state has overpopulation. The employment can be generated by fiscal credit, salary, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and democratic atmosphere in more congenial way. In 6 family side we can do. 6 family we are: Shiv Shakti family, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha family, because money has been organized, because our Lakshmi is money, and Prabhu and Lakshmi, Brahma Saraswati, law and education, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Almighty Mother, and our Father, and each united worship with God and Goddess, and Truth Savior, Truth Saviors, each united worship with God and Goddess, and government treasury, which has been working in election commission and different democratic way throughout safety of India. All will work together and we will all become Organized Self-Employed Ministry budget members, and self-employed government job will come, and fiscal credit salary will come, and as finance commission we will have self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission every year. We will be organized and we will develop a organized life. We have to come together, we have to gather momentum, we have to make Organized Self-Employment Ministry for the development of India. We have to understand that we will stand together, we will develop together. Our market will develop, our politician will develop, our educationist will develop, our lawyer will develop, we will develop, our family will develop, our truth non-violence will develop, our democracy, our governance will develop. We have to come together for Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget. 3 budget system can be possible. Annual budget 100 ministry is there, railway budget 1 ministry is there. Organized Self-Employment Ministry budget is required for today, forever. For understanding more, we have to read this Truth Only Trumps. We have to purchase this book Truth Only Trumps from Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. 6397360717, calling it. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry is a requirement of today. We have to come together. We have to earn our name and fame. We have to come together. Thank you.